This is a video presentation on multiplying a sum and difference by Mathematically Marcia. Okay, if we FOIL this, when we do the first terms, we would get a squared. And when we do the outer, we would get negative AB. The inner, AB. And the last would be minus b squared. And that works that way every time. So the pattern, and then if you look right here, those are actually opposites. So you don't have a middle term because they're going to cancel. So the pattern for factoring a difference of squares would be a squared minus b squared. And it's going to follow the same pattern every single time. So let's look at a couple examples. On this one, our a is x. So we have x squared minus, and our b is 2. So minus 2 squared. So that would be x squared minus 4. And it doesn't matter if you have the minus or the plus first. What is important is that one of them is plus, one is minus. And everything else about the two binomials is the same. Okay, our next example, we have x plus 4, x minus 4. This time, the plus comes first. But it's still the same thing. A is x, so x squared. B is 4, so minus 4 squared. So x squared minus 16. Okay, for this example, a is x again, so x squared minus b is 6y, and we need to square that whole thing. So x squared minus 36 y squared. For this example, a is 2x. So 2x squared, and b is 3. So we have minus 3 squared. 2x squared is 4x squared, and 3 squared is 9. Notice every time we have a subtraction separating them. When you multiply sum and difference, your product is what we call a difference of squares. All right, one more example. A here is 5x. So we do 5x squared. And b is y. So we do minus y squared. So 25x squared minus y squared. You can subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, and comment below if you have any questions, comments, or requests for future topics. Thank you for watching.